Welcome to Buyer Insight Monday, our weekly snapshot of what buyers are ordering right now. In Europe, buyers are leaning towards clean premium basics, heavyweight tees with a crisp neckline and a relaxed fit, minimal hoodies and sweatshirts with simple branding, no loud prints, straight relaxed chinos, cargos, and soft tailored trousers. Color-wise, it's all about slate, stone, navy, and soft earth tones. Pieces that mix and match across seasons. So if you're a European brand and you're planning your next drop, then drop us a message in our inbox and we will share the lead times and costing. This is Buyer Insight Monday. We will see you next time with more buyer trends from the ground. I'm Renoma and this is Blutaz Clothing Ltd.